camera. Saan ko kaya ilalagay mo? Hi guys! Tapos na yung Napagsimba na kami. So guys, on the way na kami ngayon sa
SM.
Kakain lang kami. Then pupunta na kami sa Calamba dahil siya ay magpapasa ng corona. Legit oh.
Sash and Crown.
Tapos, sunod doon na.
Sila na Marian, then Tukalamba na.
Okay.
Wala na sila maisagot. Bilis na kayo.
The band, then again.
April 18, we have celebrating by
Not just in scale, but in year that would mark history. Aquila unveiled.
Extend your patience. We're just, deliberating final or tabulating the final scores coming from our selection committee. But before
I would like to thank God for giving this opportunity for me to reign as Mr. Alan Tourism Philippines 2025. And of course, kay Consul Sherwin Patiga, maraming salamat po at sa mga organizers ng Mr. Laguna International na ngayon ay Mr. Laguna. Maraming salamat po. And to my sa mga candidates po ngayon, good luck and we love you.
congratulations. Thank you. You're the newest, the 2026 Mr. Island Tourism Laguna. Congratulations. Wow, I love the outfit. Rounds left. Thank you so much, SPI.
Hindi naman magsasalamin yun.
Na-excuse lang.
Sa space.
Matutok ano nga.
Week YB sila.